The Hyundai X35 alarm frequently activates due to a few key issues. First, check the door and liftgate switches. These sensors can corrode or misalign, sending false open signals. Inspect them for debris or damage. Use a multimeter to test continuity. A faulty switch needs replacement. Second, the key fob battery is a common culprit, especially in colder climates. Replace the battery and attempt to reprogram the fob. To reprogram, refer to your owner's manual or search online for ix35 specific instructions, usually involving cycling the ignition while pressing buttons on the fob. Consider using third-party OBD2 apps to monitor alarm codes. If simple fixes don't work, perform a system reset. Disconnect the car battery for 10 to 15 minutes, then reconnect. This can clear temporary errors. If problems persist, the body control module may be misinterpreting signals. You can try using a third-party OBD2 app to check for and reset alarm codes yourself. If this does not work, consider professional reprogramming at a dealership or trusted repair shop. Also, remember preventive maintenance. Consider having a mechanic apply dielectric grease to the switches annually to prevent corrosion. This can increase the longevity of the switches.